Hello, good day and welcome to Joso. So on this video I'll be showing you how to use the 12 line laser equipment. So this is the device here. The product name is Hilda, and then this knob does the automatic level. Once you turn it on, the automatic level will come on. So I'm going to show you all the device that comes with this. So this is the main device, this is the battery. So the battery goes at the back here. You just slide from under and then it will fit in. So this is your charger for the battery. You plug it directly to the battery. Please, you need to unplug it from the instrument before you charge. Then this is the base, like the stand. Also, if you don't want to use this, you can also mount it on a tripod. You can even use our normal surveyor's tripod, or you can use this. These ones are just accessories you can attach to adjust where your laser line should be. So those are the items that comes with it. So we'll quickly mount this. We'll use this now, then I'll show you the various adjustments. So the battery is in already, so we just put the tripod or the base so it can stay on the ground. So to fix this, you see this screw, you fix it to the under of the equipment. So this is it. With this you can put this on the floor and you can use it to do your level. So the basic use for this equipment is to get straight lines. If you need a straight line from this point to this point on the horizontal, on the vertical plane, this one will do it for you. If you need a straight horizontal line, this one will give you. So our battery is in, we've mounted it on the base. So you just need to check when you put it on the ground if this circular bubble is at the center. At least it needs to be fairly at the middle. So if it's not, you can adjust these small legs to balance this circular bubble. You can adjust these legs. You can adjust any of the three just to balance this, like we do on foot screws on total stations and level surveying instruments. So our table is balanced, it's leveled. So once I put this on the table, it is leveled already, so I don't need to adjust the foot screws again. So I want to turn it on. Okay, so it's on now. If you want to turn it on, you just push turn the knob from off to on. Now it's making that beep because it's not level. Anytime I move it, it will not. Now that it's not level, it will be giving us the beep until I leave it alone and it stays steady. When it's level, you don't hear the beep again. So now it's giving us horizontal line. There is one on this side, there's one here, there's one on that side, there's one on that side. So that one now is coming from the level that is on top. Now there is another one here to give me vertical like this, like this, like this, and also like this. Then I have another one, the third one, by this side. So if I adventure, I turn it on like this, I will get a line here, I will get a line here, I will get a line like this on top, and also the one down like this. So now this one is to this side, so this will give me this, and this. So those are the 12 lines. This one gives you 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one gives you another 4. 1, 2, the one under 3, 4, making 8, and also the 4 from these ones will give you the 12 line laser. So now just the one on the horizontal plane is on. So if I want to turn it off, I will click on this out/horizontal is to turn on the horizontal. If I want it back on, I touch. If I want it off, I touch. But the vertical controls too, because the vertical has on 2 sides. So if I touch it the first time, the first one will come on. If I touch it the second time, the second one will come on. If I touch it again, the 2 of them will be on at the same time. Then if I touch it again, the third one will go, all of them will go off. So again, first touch will turn on 1, second touch will turn off that one and turn on the second one. The third touch will turn the two of them on, and then the fourth touch will turn both of them off. So I can put all of them on at the same time. I turn on the horizontal, turn on the first vertical, turn on the second vertical, and the three of them. So all the 12 lines are on now. If remember, now that it's leveled, it's not giving me any beep, but once I move, it will give me that beep, meaning the line is not on the horizontal or the vertical plane. So once it stops beeping, it has given you a straight vertical, straight horizontal line. So that is how to turn on the equipment. Now the next thing I want to explain, if you check the days, which is the stand, if you want to use it, actually you can keep it vertical like this. So if you are using this screw, it will be shifting the equipment on these axis. So if I screw it, if I'm screwing towards one direction, the equipment will be shifting. That is, if I want to align these points, maybe I want to bring this point somewhere here, I will start shifting this one now. It will be adjusting this equipment on this axis. So just watch. By just rotating this, the equipment is going towards this direction now. The movements are very slow, so you might not notice it, but then it is moving in that direction. Once I start returning it, the equipment will be going on this direction. The same thing for this one. Since it's facing like this, once I start adjusting this, the equipment will be going towards this direction. Once I wind it towards the other side, it will come towards this direction. So that is how to make use of this laser equipment. So it does not need a target, it does not need staff or anything. It's just to give you straight lines, and then you can do your job using those lines. So if I want to get, maybe as a painter or a construction engineer, I want to get a straight line, maybe paint this side red, paint this side yellow. With this I can get my division. So that is how to use this equipment. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.